G'day guys. Right, you've got two things that you can do for today or this week actually, because the Steam work is not due until Friday. It says that down here. So if you don't have some gear to bake scones or pizza bases, or you don't have glue or something for your cardboard creation, then you can get some stuff organised. So yeah, those are the two choices. If you're gluten free or got some other reason why you can't do scones or pizza bases, um, just get in contact with me. I've chosen scones and pizza bases rather than just a simple sort of biscuit or cake thing because they're a little bit more involved. For your cardboard creation, if you click on this link here, there's a ton of interesting things you can do. Um, have a look at some of these. You could just do like one of these little things, have a go at, because it's really only about an hour or two's worth of work, if that. Something simple. These aren't simple, most of them, but a simple version of one of these would be quite cool. It's inspiration for you, like making a mug, with a nice handle. All these things here with the magnifying glasses are pretty cool. Now you are to post them to OneNote page under Learning Without Limits. If I scroll down to someone in our class, in our show, you are going to have come up a page that's called Steam Term. It hasn't come up yet, but it's called Steam Term Week 5. There it is. Yeah, Steam Week 5. So just post it there. Okay, thanks.